Synth text is revolutionizing the way we interact with digital content. Imagine a world where every piece of text can be synthesized into a unique, identifiable digital fingerprint. This technology leverages advanced algorithms to create a watermark embedded within the text itself, ensuring authenticity and traceability. For tech enthusiasts, this means enhanced security in content creation and distribution. It can help combat misinformation by allowing users to verify the source of a text at a glance. Moreover, Synth text can be integrated into various applications, from academic publishing to social media, providing a seamless way to maintain integrity in our digital communications. As we continue to navigate an increasingly digital landscape, innovations like Synth text are essential in preserving trust and accountability. The future of content is not just about creation. It's about ensuring that what we read is genuine and reliable.